Hey everyone, welcome back to Chart Stocks. Something major just happened, and not in a good way. The S&P 500 just had its worst quarterly underperformance against global markets in 37 years. Let that sink in. We're talking the biggest gap between US and international stocks since 1988. So, what's going on? In this video, we're going to break it down. Why the US market is falling behind. Which stocks are dragging us down? What sectors are quietly winning? And what this might mean for your portfolio in 2025 and beyond. Let's get into it. So, what caused this massive underperformance? First, big tech took a big hit. Stocks like Trade Desk dropped nearly 54%. Decker's Outdoor slid over 46%. Marvell Technology fell more than 45%. And even Tesla sank almost 39% in just one quarter. That kind of decline from major names has a huge impact on the S&P 500, especially when tech makes up such a large part of the index. Second, the semiconductor sector struggled. The SOXX ETF, which tracks chipmakers, fell nearly 12% in March alone. That weakness pulled down the entire Nasdaq 100, which ended the month slightly negative. Meanwhile, global markets held up better. The MSCI All-Country World Index excluding the US actually outperformed by the largest margin since 1988. That's a major shift from recent years, when US stocks were consistently leading. But it wasn't all bad news. The energy sector came out strong, rising for 4 straight months and gaining 8.5% year-to-date. And gold. It soared to over $3,100 an ounce, marking its best 3-month rally since the 2009 financial crisis. Clearly, some investors are seeking safety. What are analysts saying? Well, even Goldman Sachs is turning cautious. They just cut their S&P 500 earnings forecast to 3% for 2025 and 6% for 2026, down from 7% for both years. That suggests Wall Street is starting to adjust expectations to fit this new reality. So, what does this all mean? US stocks aren't the guaranteed leader anymore. Tech is vulnerable, especially if rates stay high. Sectors like energy and assets like gold are gaining ground. And smart investors are watching global trends, not just US headlines. As always, it's not about predicting, it's about preparing. Thanks for watching today's breakdown here on Chart Stocks. If this gave you clarity, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next market insight. Let me know in the comments, do you think US stocks are heading for a comeback? Or is global leadership shifting for good? See you in the next one.